Last week, I wanted to make a simple bookkeeping mini program. I asked for quotes online, just a home page, list page, and detail page. The price started at $300, and more complex ones went up to $1,000 plus. I thought, can AI write this for me? After trying many tools, I finally used one free tool plus one API key. In just 10 minutes, it worked perfectly. I wrote zero code the whole time. The steps are really simple. Open ServBay and turn on Python 3.13. It automatically sets up an isolated environment, so it won't conflict with your existing Python setup. Run one command in the terminal. Pip install Kimi. Choose the Kimi 2.5 model. Then paste your API key from the official website. When you're ready, just tell it. Create a universal front-end mini program with homepage, list page, and detail page. Use HTML, CS, and JavaScript. It should run directly in the browser. It will generate all the files at once. Structure, style, logic, configuration, and even organize them into folders. Page navigation, buttons, and links are fully coded. You barely need to change anything. Then find the index.html file and double-click to open it. In a few seconds, the interface appears. Pages switch, buttons click, and data saves? It really works. Want to change the style? Just tell Kimi, change the homepage background to light gray and make the title bigger. Go back to your browser and refresh the page. To be honest, it's not 100% perfect. Sometimes the code is a bit redundant, but you only need to delete a few lines. It's not great for very complex interactions, but perfect for simple tools and display projects. The biggest advantage is speed. No need to wait for a developer. You can change features just by chatting with the AI. If you need a small project or tool, don't rush to pay someone. Spend 10 minutes trying this method. If it works, you save hundreds of dollars. If not, you lose nothing.